So we're back with another video, and in this one we're going to be literally unboxing the products. It's probably what I should have did with the other candles, just in case something went awry, but I didn't. So from now on we're going to be unboxing the products. Okay, there are 4 candles in this box. Of course, you know they come from the Conjure. I bought these candles for 2 reasons. Number one, she had a buy one get one free sale that I just couldn't pass up on. And then 2 of the candles in here are new. She had a grandson in that time. It was the first grandson of her line. So, and to celebrate that particular occasion, she came out with a candle for him. Second one was called, she combined 3 candles and put it into one, and it's an intense candle. That's what she calls an intense candle. And the other 2 candles in here, they are just candles she's had on her site for a while. So this is just one of 4 orders that I placed. As soon as those orders come in, I will just be unboxing them just like I'm doing this one. Alright, so I could not find my box cutter. For all the times that I ever needed a box cutter or something to open a box with, I can't find it. So we're just going to use our scissors. So those of you that have commented on my videos, I appreciate you. I thank you for even taking the time out to look at the video. And I know that when that happens, it lets me know that there is something to be discovered here. There are still people out here. Everybody's not on Instagram and everybody's not on Facebook. People actually want to come on here and figure out what do the products look like. What are the, they want to see reviews. They want to hear people's testimony. They don't want to go on Amazon and just look at a written review. They want to know from the person's, word, from the person's mouth, what their specific experience was like. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, there are 4 candles in here. Give me a second to scoot this over and get rid of these peanuts, and I will be right back. All right, we're back. So excuse my squeaky floor if you hear it. This carpet. All right, so the first candle that I got was the Truth candle. All right, so the second candle is I believe you pronounce it Sayer, or at least that's how I heard her say it in one of her videos. So it's just blue and yellow. This is the Obsession candle. And the last one is another new one she came out with. It's an intense candle. It's called Halo Healing Unhex. So for those of you who know what those candles are and you have them, this is a combination of all 3 of them. Alright, let's get into these candles. The first candle is going to be this one. I believe her grandson's name is pronounced Sayer. I know this looks like Sire or C-Ray or something like that, but I believe that it's pronounced Sayer. This candle is spelled with 5 spirits in it. My thought, I don't know if someone in her forum said something about it, but I think it's conjured with or spelled with spirits of wealth, like spirits of Jupiter. On her website it says wealth, glory, and I think power. Is used for a lot of things, a whole lot of things. For those of you who do have businesses and don't have businesses, those of you who want to be a celebrity, I don't know how any of this is applying to me. I have to figure that out for myself, which is why I won't burn these candles until I do. But for those of you who want to be a celebrity and you want to do all this stuff, this may be the candle for you. You need to make your petition correctly, and you need to make it based off of what you desire. So when we open the box, we get a silver top with a black body. There's nothing on the bottom. I don't know if she's going to change this design between now and then whenever that is in the future is what I'm trying to say. But if not, this is what it'll look like. Alright, so this candle immediately when you open the lid, it smacks you in the face. Like, it smacks you right in the face with hints of maple, and like, to me, it smells like that musk that I get from the Fifth Pinnacle of Jupiter. That type of candle that I showed you guys in the last video, the blue one. So this may be one of the, spelled with those type of spirits. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on this, but if I figure that out, I'll let you know in the description. It does not say what spirits it was spelled with. So you have your line of gold glitter, your 2 lines of blue glitter. But like I said, this candle, just when you open it, it's sweet. Not in like a fruity type of way, but like a maple syrup type, you know what I mean? And it's very musky. If I can get a better B-roll of this candle, then I will, but I think for the most part, this is what you're going to get. Next candle is the Halo Healing Unhex. This is an intense candle, and I believe that it's a candle that you can use either one. So basically, it's a combination of all 3 of these candles, basically. So when you light it, you can either say the Halo chant, the Healing chant, or the Unhex chant. So it's a way for you to have all 3 candles without basically paying for it, I suppose. You just take whatever chant or one you've made up, whichever thing you want to use. So what I'm trying to say is like, if I want to try the healing candle or something like that, I would light the candle, find the healing chant, or create one based around the chant that's in the book concerning healing, and then I chant that. You can't use it for all 3 at one time. You have to use it at different times for whatever situation that you need it for. So I would use Halo for one situation, wait 3 days, and then use Halo Healing for another situation, wait 3 days, and then do Unhex, or whichever order you choose to do it in. But you can't do all 3 at one time. And know that once you do this, whichever one you choose, it's intense. It's not like the normal candle. It's on another level entirely, or so I'm told. This is my first time having this one, so let's see what this is. Of course, I got this because it was the newest thing out, and I didn't want to risk not having it. So again, I don't know what I need it for just yet, because I've had ceremonies, and let me tell you, if you ain't had a healing or a soul purge or a divine, well, she doesn't offer the divine 9 anymore, but if you ain't had a healing or a soul purge or an unhex ceremony, you need to get on. Listen, you need to get on it, because when I tell you it changes and saves lives. Okay, it does. So this will be my first time doing it myself. And again, we have the black body with the silver top. Does not have a, oh, actually this one does have something at the bottom. Let me zoom up on that for y'all. I wonder why this one has it and the other one doesn't. Okay, so this one does, when you open it, it doesn't smack you in the face like Sire did. That candle did. So it's more of like a subtle type of smell. It reminds me of kind of like hair grease a little bit. So I suppose, just looking at these 3 stripes of glitter, one side is healing, one side is halo, and then the middle, of course, is well, the middle, it has to be healing because it's blue, and then you've got halo on one side, and then you've got unhex on the other. So like I said, all you have to do is just pick a chant or create one based off of unhex, the healing candle, or the halo candle, and go to town. Again, I don't know what I'm going to use these for just yet, but when I do, you'll be the second to know, because I'll be the first. This one we're looking at now is the Obsession candle. This is small. This is really small. So hopefully it packs a punch. Okay, so I do have a backstory to go with this one and the last one, okay? This one is used to make, well, all of these are used for either you or someone else or a target. I said to myself, well, how about I use these on myself? You know, this is said to make somebody totally obsessed with you. I don't need that. I don't. It's not my intention. I don't know. It might be the Libra in me or the, I don't know. I can't. It don't make sense. But I'm a procrastinator. So I'm going to use this to make myself obsessed with something I procrastinate at and see if that works. People have said that it worked for them. There are 2 other candles that I ordered that kind of do the same thing. One is addiction, and then the other one is domination. So we'll see how those go when they get here. So this one is it's a lot smaller compared to the other candles that I have from her. And I would hope, or I would like to think that it's so small because it packs a mighty punch. But I ain't used it yet, so I don't know. So again, with the black body, and on the top it has her logo and Obsession on it. My light is not the best right here. So as you can see, there are tons and tons and tons of herbs. The smell, I can't put a name to it. I can't put a likeness to it. It's just it's something that I don't know what that's called. It's not strong, but it's noticeable. You know what I mean? Like it's not something that you just, oh, that smells like nothing. Like it smells like something, but it's just something that I don't know what to call it. I don't know what the name of it is, but alright, so this is a truth candle. It's said to reveal the unknown. Just about anything you want to know, it can reveal it to you in some way, shape, or form, or so I'm told. Okay, so this one is Glitter City. So immediately upon opening the top, I immediately get hit with like a floral scent. Very, very, very floral. And it's very, very glittery. And you can see the oil, well, I can rather see the oil that's in there. That has been my unboxing of the Conjure candles that I purchased this time around. Do know that there are 3 other orders that I'm waiting on. 2 of them contain new and, I don't want to say old because I don't think they're old, but other Eris products, as well as other candles. And as soon as they get here, I will show you that, just like I did on this video. Secondly, I will try to edit this video tonight, so you probably will get it sometime either during Christmas or after Christmas. So for those of you that are watching, today is the 24th, so you'll probably watch this either the day of Christmas or after. So I want to say to you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Lastly, I just want to reiterate what I talked about in the last video towards the end. And I spoke about a roadmap, okay? I bought all these specific candles for a purpose, okay? Of course, with all these that I bought, I am the intended target. I have to figure out how to make these candles work for myself. I have an idea that I'm going to kind of, sort of share with you in the hopes that you get what I mean when I talk about a roadmap, okay? So if I were just starting out and, I don't know, I'm looking to get something done, that's very vague, but like I'm looking to become something or somebody, right? These candles, I can see now, just looking at them, how these candles would help. So this is an intense candle. This is 3 times, according to Miss Lala, what these 3 candles are by themselves, right? So this is Halo times 3, Healing times 3, Unhex times 3, right? But unfortunately, until she comes out with it again, you won't be able to get it until she releases it, because that was just a limited time thing. She released it because of this candle. I'm pretty sure she'll release it again, but just not anytime soon. Say you did have this candle, or you had all of these candles separately, right? What I would do is I'd go unhex, because you unhex, wait 3 days till you see movement, come back, burn Halo, wait 30 days till you see movement, then come back, burn Healing, then wait another 3 days. You must wait in between the burning of these candles because of the energy and the spirits attached to them. You have to give them time to do their work. After you have healed all your shit. Okay, that's what she says. Not Miss Lala, but somebody in her form. She says, you know, don't do this unless you've healed and fixed your shit. So once you've done all of that, right? This is the method of healing and fixing your shit. I'd go truth candle. I'd ask it whatever it is that I needed to know. I'd ask the spirit, you know, that's in this candle. Hey, what should I be doing? Should I be doing this? Should I be doing that? Or, you know, say I do know what I'm doing, but I don't know the process in which I need to do it. You could ask it certain questions pertaining to whatever field you're in, or whatever it is. It will reveal to you the unknown. Just that. Okay, bam, we got that. Now we use the obsession counter, right, to become obsessed with that thing. So obsessed with that thing, I feel, listen, this is weird because I'm feeling all Christian-like, but you become obsessed with that thing, and then you go ham, you go stupid, you go dumb, you go ape, you know what I'm saying? You do all that, then you top it off with this candle right here. You bring it home with this candle. You see what I'm saying? Do you see where I'm going with this? Okay, this has 5 spirits in it for wealth, money, power, glory, all that other good stuff. All that shiny stuff you like, bling bling, dollar bills, that type of stuff. This candle got it in. This is like the good fortune candle on steroids. Okay, don't quote me on it because I ain't tried it yet, but I'm believing by faith. So that's my roadmap. That right there, actually, that is my roadmap for a certain situation. This, come back with this, be obsessed with this, then bring the money in with this. That's a roadmap. Can I get a come on somebody, okay, let me stop because I feel my help, all of them. So that's my definition of a roadmap. This is what I mean when I say to you, have a roadmap. Say you got a man that you like so much and you know he like you, right? You know he like you, but sometimes he can't stand you, and you going through a period of just, I can't stand you, and I don't feel like talking to you, and I just don't, you know, I got this wall up, and I ain't even feeling you right now. Start here, fix your shit, okay? Fix it good, okay? Once you fix your stuff, you get a sweetening candle. You sweeten them. Then you come back with a daily attraction, and then bada bing, bada boom, you'll be doing what you be doing. That's a roadmap. If you don't believe me, read the book. Read the book. I ain't lying. That's all I wanted to say. I'll be back with my other candles. I'll come back and show you the results. I'll come and talk to you about the candles that I have burned so far, which are the Legba candle and the protection candle. Yeah, so when I get to using these candles and doing my roadmap and feeling myself, I'll let you know. Trust me, I'll let you know. So you guys be blessed, take care, and I'll see you in the next videos. Stay encouraged.